Hello my friends and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you some easy tricks for perfect shading. Blending is a bit harder to control, can give a smudged result. Used for smaller parts. Gives soft shading. I use it for hair and small parts. Don't forget to wipe clean before use. The cotton tip is easy to control. Used for smaller areas and skin. Don't forget to turn regularly to get a clean part of the tip. Tissue give a very soft result. Used for bigger and smaller parts.